this assessment, we learn by analogy a new reaction that can be used to produce a primary bromoalkene. If we look at what this reaction is adding, we're going to react HBr and peroxide with some functional group that at the end will have us having added a hydrogen and a bromine, but notice that there is still an alkene present. That automatically tells us that this reaction can't be done with an alkene because HBr with an alkene would give us a bromoalkane. What functional group can react with HBr and still have the alkene present in the end? That would be an alkyne. And so the reaction, or the reagent we'll use to start this reaction, is this one here. Let's number the carbons to make sure we have it being the right length. So we'll use 1 pentyne. And if we count our carbons over here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this alkyne with HBr and peroxides should give us this bromoalkene.